Hi students, welcome to our Sri Vishnu channel. This is Janardhan. Our today's topic is 3D coordinate system. Now in our material, teacher task, exercise 3, topic is section formula and collinear points and plane divides line segment joining points. Okay, the reflection of point P of A comma B comma C in XY plane is, now first option is minus A comma B comma C, second option is A comma minus B comma C, third option is A comma B comma minus C, and fourth option is A comma B comma minus C. Now third and fourth are same answers. Now first we read the reflection of the point ABC in XY plane. Now z is negative, z coordinate is negative. Now this is the image is A comma B comma minus C. Now the third option is A comma B comma minus C. Okay, and this is okay, write down. Sense of a point P of x comma y comma z from its image in xy plane is, now here first of all the distance from the point P of x comma y comma z from its image xy plane from its image in xy plane, then the image is x comma y comma minus z. Now this the distance between 2 points. Now here root of x minus x whole square plus y minus y whole square plus z minus of minus plus z whole square, and this is 0, this is 0, this is 4z square. Now here 2 into modulus of z. Now see the options in our material. Now this is second option. Okay, now answer is 2 into modulus of z. Okay, write down. If these extremities of a diagonal of a square are 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 3 comma 5, then the area of the square square. Okay, now here first option is 6, second option is 3, third option is 2 by 3, fourth option is 1 by 2. Now here, now square diagram, and this is one of the diagonal and this is one of the diagonal. Now the extremities of this is A and B. Now D is equal to diagonal of the points extremities of AB. Now this is distance between 2 points AB. Now here root of 1 minus 2 whole square, this is minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 plus 3, that means minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Now here 1 plus 4, and this is root 6. Now here x is equal to only side this x is equal to d by root 2, and this is root 6 by root 2. Now here root 3. Now but then the area of the square is x square. Then the area of the square side into side, area of the square is x square. Now here root 3 whole square, and this is 3. Now the area is 3. Now so answer is 3. So second option. Okay, write down. the ratio in which YZ plane, the ratio in which YZ plane divides the join of the points, minus 2 comma 4 comma 7 and 3 comma minus 5 comma 8 is. Now here the ratio is YZ plane, I already told you, and in which YZ plane is minus x1 is to x2, and also xz plane is minus y1 is to y2, and also xy plane is minus z1 is to z2. Now here minus x1 is to x2. Now this is x1 and this is minus of minus 2 is to x2 and 3. This is 2 is to 3. Now the ratio is YZ plane is 2 is to 3. Now see in our material in this answer. The sum of the squares of the distance of a point from the three coordinate axis be 36, and then its distance from the origin is. Okay, now here first option is 5 and second option is 3 root 2 and the third option is root 21 and fourth option is 3 root 3. Now first we observe that the sum of the squares of the distance of the point from the three coordinate axis. Now first the sum of the squares of the distances three coordinate axis means, now x axis means y square plus z square, sum of the squares. Now this is first coordinate and the second coordinate is y, that means x square plus z square, and the third coordinate axis, and that means z axis, that means y square plus z square is equal to 36. Now here x square plus, now this is plus 2z square is equal to 36. Now here x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 18, and this is then distance from its origin is, now here distance from the origin is root of x square plus y square plus z square, and this is equal to root 18, that means 9 into 2, and this is equal to 3 root 2. Now the distance from the origin is 3 root 2. Now the second option 3 root 2. Okay. Is equal to 1 2 3, b is equal to 2 3 4, b is equal to 2 3 4. Now AB is produced to C such that 2AB is equal to BC, then C coordinate is. Now here options 5 comma 4 comma 6, and the second option is 6 2 4, and the third option is 4 5 6, and the fourth option is 6 4 5. Now here first of all AB is produced to C up to C such that 2B into AB is equal to BC. Now here B divides AC, and this is AB is equal to 1 by 2 into BC. Now B divides AC internally 1 is to 2. Internally in the ratio 1 by 2 is 1 is to 2. And the ratio is 1 is to 2. Now here C coordinate is let us C coordinate is C, X, Y, Z. Now to find out C coordinate. Now here B divides AC. This is B divides AC. Now here A point is 1, 2, 3, and the B point is now B divides, and this is 1:2 ratio. This is M is to N. Now here B is equal to, that means B, where is B? 2, 3, 4 is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. That means 1 into x plus nx1. That means 1 by 1 plus 2. That means 3. And my2, that y plus ny1. That means produce 4 by 3. And mz2, z plus, and this is 3 2s are 6 by 3. Now here comparing with now equal coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate and z coordinate. Now this is 3 to 6 is equal to x plus 2 by 2 is equal to x plus 2 by 3, and this is 6 minus 2 is equal to x, and this is x is equal to 4, and also y coordinates are equal. Now this is 9 is equal to y plus 4, and 9 minus 4 is equal to y is equal to 5, and this is 4 3 is 12 is equal to z plus 6, 12 minus 6 is equal to z. Now z is equal to 6. Now this is the C coordinate of x, y, z, and 4 5 6. Now here option is 3. Okay, write down. The line passing through the points, 5, 1, A and 3, B, 1 cross the YZ plane at the point 0, 17 by 2, minus 13 by 2. Then A value and B value. Now here first cross the YZ plane in the ratio is minus x1 is to x2 is minus x1 is to x2. Now here x1 and x2. Now this is minus 5 is to 3, and here the divides the line passing through the points. Now here this is m is to n, and 5 1a and 3b1. Okay, now mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. That means minus 15 plus 15 by minus 2, minus 5b plus 3 by minus 2, and z coordinate is minus 5 plus 3a by minus 2, and this is equal to the point 0, 17 by 2, minus 13 by 2. Now here this is coordinate is 0, so okay, 0 is equal to 0, and here minus 5 by 5b plus 3 by minus 2 is equal to 17 by 2, and this is 2 2 is cancelled, minus 5b plus 3 is equal to minus 17, and this is minus 5b is equal to minus 17 minus 3, and this is minus 20, and this is b is 4. Okay, now the b value is 4, and this is the z coordinates are equal, minus 5 plus 3a by minus 2 is equal to minus 13 by 2, and this is 2 2 is cancelled. Now here minus 5 plus 3a is equal to plus 13, minus into minus is plus 13, 3a is equal to 13 plus 5, and this is 18, and this is 3a. Now a is equal to 6. Now here see options in our material. Here a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 4. Okay, write down. points A comma B comma C comma D are collinear and C comma D divide AB in the ratio 2:3, comma -2:3 respectively, and then the ratio in which A divides CD is, now here option is ratio is 5:1, second option is 2:3, and the third option is 3:2, and fourth option is 1:5. Now here, first of all, the ratio is m:/n is equal to 2:3. Now here A divides CD in the ratio is n minus m is to m plus n. Okay, once again, the formula is ratio n minus m is to m plus n. Now here, where is n? 3 minus m, 2 is to m plus n, and this is 1:5. Okay, now the answer is fourth option, 1:5. Okay, write down. Conjugate the harmonic conjugate of 2, 3, 4 with respect to the points 3, -2, 2 and 6, -17, 4 is, now this is now the harmonic conjugate point of 2, 3, 4, and this is point, and A point 3 -2, 2, and this is 6, -17, 4. Now here AP is to BP are in the ratio, and this is AP is to BP are in the ratio is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. This is point xyz, and this is A point x1 y1 z1 and B point x2 y2 z2. This is x1 and this is x2. Now here x2, and this is 3 minus 2 is to x 2 minus 6, and this is 1:2 minus 4, and that implies -1:4. But here, now the harmonic conjugate of the point, now the harmonic conjugate of the ratio is 1:4, but original ratio is -1:4, but ask the harmonic conjugate of the point or in the ratio is 1:4. The harmonic conjugate point P or in the ratio is 1:4. Now this is 1:4 in the ratio 3 -2, 2, and this is 6 -17, 4. Now here mx2 plus nx1 by, and this is 6 1s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12 by 2, sorry, 1 plus 4 5, and this is also y coordinate. Now my2, this is -17 plus ny1, this is -8 by 5, and this is also 4 plus 8 by 5. Now here 18 by 5 minus 25 by 5, this is -5, and this is the 12 by 5. Now the coordinate of the point is 18 by 5 comma minus comma minus 5 comma 12 by 5. Now see the options in our material. Now the answer is this one. This is the point. Okay. Locus of a point, the locus of a point which is equidistant, which is equidistant from YZ plane and XZ plane is, now first option is x plus y is equal to 0, and second option is x square minus y square is equal to 0, and the third option is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0, and fourth option is x cube minus y cube is equal to 0. Now first we observe the synopsis points. Now here direct question, equidistant from yz and xz plane, that means x square minus y square is equal to 0, and again xz and xy, that means y square minus z square is equal to 0, and xz plane is equidistant from x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is the locus of the point, that means locus of the equation x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is a direct synopsis point. Okay. In order to eliminate the first degree terms in the equation 2x square minus 2y square plus z square minus 4x plus 8y plus 2z minus 5 is equal to 0. Then origin should be shifted to the point. Now here first option is 1 comma 2 comma 1, second option is 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, and the third option is minus 1 comma 2 comma 1, and the fourth option is 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. Now here this is a new topic of the chapter, but one of the important point, now here we read dou s by dou x. Dou s by dou x is equal to 0, and dou s by dou y is equal to 0, and dou s by dou z is equal to 0. Now difference between differentiation and partial differentiation. Already told you differentiation, but partial differentiation, that means dou s by dou x is 0, then we call dou s by dou x and dou s by dou y and dou s by dou z is equal to 0. Now difference between differentiation and partial differentiation. Differentiation means any term, any x with respect to x, in this internal term is that means this is s. Okay. Now here differentiate ఏ టర్మ్ కి అయితే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x చేస్తున్నప్పుడు x కి మాత్రమే డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి, రిమైనింగ్ y టర్మ్ గాని z టర్మ్ గాని కంప్లీట్ గా జీరో అయిపోయింది. ఓకే. విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x చేస్తున్నప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ y టర్మ్ z టర్మ్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అన్ని కూడా జీరో అయిపోతుంది. అదే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y చేస్తున్నప్పుడు x z జీరో అయిపోతుంది. అదే విధంగా విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు z చేస్తున్నప్పుడు x y టర్మ్స్ జీరో అయిపోతాయి. సో దట్ మీన్స్ సపోజ్ dou s by dou x is 0, that means with respect to x దీనికి డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి 2 into 2x This y term is 0, z term is 0, this is minus 4, dou by dou x of x is 1. Now this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Now here 4x is equal to 4 and this is x is equal to 1. And also y with respect to y, dou s by dou y. Now this term is 0, this term is minus 4y and plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here 4y is equal to minus 8 and y is equal to 2. And this is dou s by dou z. And this term is 0, this term is 0, this is 2z is equal plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2z is equal to minus 2, z is equal to minus 1. Is 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. So origin should be shifted to the point is 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Okay, this is very simple process and this is the important with respect to the partial differentiating x and y and z. Okay, write down. The coordinates of a point, the coordinates of a point 3 comma minus 7 comma 5 in the new system, when the origin is shifted to minus 4 comma 3 comma 9 10 comma 10 comma 4 and the second option is 7 comma minus 10 comma minus 4 and the third option is 7 comma minus 10 comma 4 and the fourth option is minus 7 comma minus 10 comma minus 4. Now here the original coordinates is xyz is equal to 3 comma minus 7 comma 5 and origin shifted to the point h comma k comma l is equal to minus 4 comma 3 comma 9. Now the new coordinates capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z is now here capital X is equal to small x minus h, capital Y is equal to small y minus k, capital Z is equal to small z minus l. Now here this is x, y, z and this is h comma k comma l. Now here 3 minus of minus plus 4, this is 7 and this is minus 4 minus 7 minus 3 is this is minus 10 and z is equal to 5 minus 9 and this is minus 4. Now here the new coordinates of the point capital X, capital Y, capital Z is 7 comma minus 10 comma minus 4. Now the option is 7 comma minus 10 comma minus 4. Now the option is second. Okay, write down. Okay, now next topic after the continuation video. Okay.